What do you think is next for Adriana Sahar? Like, what are you passionate? Like, I know you're passionate about fashion and clothes, and obviously you're a creative, so you kind of do everything. But what is like your next, I don't know, like, do you ever feel like kind of bored? Like, do you want to branch out?
Yeah, I was actually thinking about it, and I feel like I've had these like signs.
Yeah.
Well, one, I've been like, you know, starting my home decor line with candles. They're over there. I don't know if you can see them. And blankets and stuff like that. But I really want to be like a life coach.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, if you're a life coach.
But not like a one-on-one life coach. More of like a speaker.
Like YouTube?
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah. Is it like more mental health stuff? Or
Yeah.
Like, what made you like? I don't know. What made you want to do that?
Because I just have been feeling like I have a bigger purpose, and clothing has been so great, and you know, it's been something I've been doing for like 6 years.
Yeah.
Or like half my life, basically.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, I feel like I have a bigger purpose, and I want to help other people find their purpose or their passion, you know?
I love that.
I kind of want to just be in service.
Ooh.
In more.
Oh my god, I love that. Okay, so I want to get into some tea.
Okay.
What is your craziest bathroom? Craziest bathroom.
Okay.
I'm not a makeup artist.
It looks good.
Does it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, let me just adjust it.
Okay.
So, what is your craziest bathroom story that you can tell us?
Well, I have a lot of crazy bathroom stories, actually.
Yeah.
I don't know why I love the bathroom.
I fucking love the bathroom. I feel at home in the bathroom. Like, in my house, I like to be in the bathroom.
Yeah, like have you ever done it in a tub?
Have I done it in a tub?
Yeah. So like
Is
the
that
tub
vibe?
was fun.
Oh my god.
The sink was fun. Yeah.
Wow. I don't have anything like that.
Yeah, no, I've done some things. It's been a good time in here.
Wow. In this bathroom?
Yeah.
In this hallowed ground?
In this bathroom.
Oh my god.
With some of my favorites.
Again,
But we don't talk to them anymore. Yeah. They're banned
Do
from
you
my
feel
life.
like dating as like, I mean, you're very successful, I would definitely say. Do you feel like it's harder dating when you're, like, now that you're at the level that you're at, do you feel like it's harder for you to date and like meet people, or do you feel like it's easier?
I feel like now that I know like exactly what I want and what I want to attract, I'm not looking like to just date anyone anymore.
What are you looking for?
I was just having fun for a long time.
Yeah.
But now I'm just looking for the right guy to have like, and I know they say there's like no perfect right person.
But I feel like there's people that are suited to you.
Exactly. Like I'm looking for someone to like settle down with and like
that. Do you feel like you're ready to settle down? Or we're not there yet?
I feel like almost.
Really? What is this?
That's the same thing, but it has color. You can use it.
Okay.
It's really nice.
Okay, so she's ready to start settling down. I feel like,
but like not now. Maybe in like a year. Because right now I'm like just focused on myself.
Yeah.
I don't want to date anyone. I don't want to talk to anyone. I'm very like.
What do you think?
Focused.
Like, so when you say focused, are you just mostly focused on yourself and your work, or like? Because you're kind of on like a spiritual.
Yeah, I'm focused on
now.
myself. And like really loving myself.
I love that so much. Okay, so let's take a look at the look really quickly. I feel like, what's left?
I feel like you're almost there.
I'm almost there. I just have to do the eyeliner.
Mascara and eyeliner and a lip liner.
Where's your wing?
And blush and highlighter.
Yeah. Where's your eyeliner? Perfect.
Eyeliner.
Okay.
And then
This Fenty Beauty highlighter is honestly unreal.
this
It's unreal. If I could be in makeup, I would want to be this.
Here's like a brow wiz if you want to like fill in my brows.
Your brows are perfect, Loki.
This is a highlighter brush.
Thank you.
And then yeah.
Okay, perfect. So
And
these are
I
your
think
eyes.
there's a lip liner already out there. I know. Lip.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Oh my god, I'm actually low-key afraid. But I'm not, I'm fine. Everything is under control.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little do a little wing. Okay. So your day-to-day beauty is mostly just like natural, right?
Oh yeah.
I love that. Do you think you'll stay just natural all the time now?
For now, but if I'm going to like an event, I'll do like, you know, the full glam look.
What is full glam for you?
Like foundation, translucent, contour. I just like my skin doesn't have like the capacity for that. Like I'm very sensitive, so I'll break out.
So what would you recommend for, because I have sensitive skin too, and I feel like I break out a lot. Like what would you recommend that I get?
Giorgio Armani Illuminous.
Okay.
And then I use like Fenty contour stick, and then I use Laura Mercier translucent powder.
I'm fucking up.
It's okay, keep going.
Okay.
Do the other eye.
I need to fill this one in more.
Okay.
Okay, so you're a Fenty girl.
I mean, I enjoy her products. I had a lot of KKW, Giorgio Armani,
Yeah.
Fenty, Kylie, and Laura Mercier.
I like Laura Mercier. I feel like I just started getting into makeup. Like, I never, similar to you, my beauty story is like not, like my mom taught me absolutely nothing about beauty. Because she's very much like...
Yeah, I wish she did, honestly. She did. It's not that bad.
It's not that
Want me to
bad.
fix it?
Yeah, show me how you fix it. This is so bad. I'm supposed to be doing her makeup and... Whoa. Oh my god, look at you. The pink looks nice. As you can tell, I am once again not a professional makeup artist. Wow, you're fast. It's the wings.
Oh, shit. I have a little ass mirror. I just fucked that up.
Sorry. Wow.
Hold this.
Okay.
Because I need to like stretch my eye out.
Okay. Oh my god. Wow. I could never do it this fast. Amazing.
Right? Looks fine.
Yeah, okay, well
Okay.
that looks better.
Here.
Oh. Okay, yeah, my mom clearly never taught me. She didn't really, she just never, no one taught her. I feel like my friends now are the ones that teach me makeup. I'm gonna fix this wing. I feel like my friends now are the people that teach me makeup. Like makeup artists and stuff. But you did my makeup once and I remember it was like the best makeup I'd ever had someone do on me. Did like a chrome lip. You're not.
Come on.
I am.
Get it going. Oh, we have
my
places
God.
to go.
Okay. On the nose, we're gonna do the nose.
Hot.
Now we need to do your mascara. Okay. So if you have children, if you have daughters, what would be the beauty wisdom that you would impart onto them?
I would definitely teach them how to do their makeup.
Shade.
And no, not any shade. Your parents don't know better, like,
That's true.
you know, they're just kids having kids.
That's very true.
But I would like teach my kids if they ask me how to do it, I would teach them.
Yeah.
And then I feel like too much makeup is not the answer.
It's not good for your skin.
Yeah.
Do you think skincare or makeup is more important? Let me fix this.
Skincare.
Skincare. So skincare first, makeup second.
Mm-hmm.
And like with your hair care and stuff too, do you ever dye your hair? Or do you mostly leave it?
I dye my hair.
Really?
Yeah. I have a lot of like gray hairs from stress. Yeah.
So it's stress.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that looks better.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me just outline. Look down. I feel like minimizing stress has been one of the most important things I've done. Because honestly, anything in life can stress you out if you don't learn to, I kind of made that one longer, but it's fine. If you don't learn to just like stop, like I'll literally just turn my phone off and be like, okay, sorry guys, I can't answer today. Like, it's my mental health day. Don't talk to me. Look down. Because I just think we're not made to be running around all the time. Okay, this is looking better. This is looking a lot better. This one's a little fucked up. Let me just... Okay. Yeah? Better?
Looks great.
You think so?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That makes me so happy. That makes me so happy. Okay, now we just have lip liner.
Give me the lip. I'll do the lip liner.
She's doing lip liner. Do you want little gems?
Yeah, but is there another lip liner? This one is
No, there's this one. You have your NYX. NYX makes the best
See if there's anything.
lip glosses. No. Wow. What do you think is more important, lip gloss or mascara?
That's really hard. Lip gloss though.
I feel like if I leave the house with lip gloss and nothing else, like I still feel good.
Lip gloss, because there's days I just wear lip gloss.
Yeah. Like this?
We need blush.
Oh, where's your...
Yeah.
Okay.
We're
She's
collabing.
almost done. We're collabing. Wow.
I think we're done.
You look
What do you
amazing.
think?
Look amazing, right? I feel like drinking and makeup for me are just like a dangerous combination. You look really good.
Wow.
Are you into
No,
it?
you did a great job.
Yeah? You're into it?
I love
Oh
it.
my god, should I add makeup artist to my
You should, to your bio.
to my bio? Okay, I love that for us. Okay, well, that has been episode 1. We have a finished look here. But yes, we need the Hello Kitty clips, thank you. We have a finished look. We did some pink eyeshadow.
Should we show them the look?
Yeah, oh my god. Side by side, let's compare. What do we think? I feel like,
What do you think?
yeah, I feel like it's almost there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna get better at this. This has been episode 1 of Best Friends in a Bathroom. Thank you to my beautiful friend Adriana for joining me and being my first.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Love my
Oh
makeup.
my god, good. I was worried. Let me know in the comments what you think of her makeup, if I did it okay, and definitely like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more episodes coming soon.
Cheers.
Cheers. See y'all soon.